swan. The swan is the most graceful of all birds. It is huge and resembles the duck, except that the swan has a slender, graceful neck. It has a broad, flat beak, just like the duck. Its beautiful, doe-like eyes make it a much envied bird. Its webbed feet help it to swim in the water easily.